guys, welcome to our sample room. This is our sample room. Today I would like to discuss the BTU with you guys. When choosing a RV air conditioner, it's easy to focus just on BTU numbers. But for your real off-grid adventures, quiet operations and energy efficiency are what truly mattered. True comfort isn't about the claimed BTU. Remember, physically dictates higher BTU always means significantly higher power consumptions, right? It will draining your batteries quickly isn't practical when you are miles from the power hookup. So our focus is different. We delivering powerful and efficient cooling designed for freedom. We always prioritize whisper quiet operation for peaceful nights. Experience rides that are truly cool, comfortable, and powered by smart designs. So from my experience, I hope you guys, when you choose a new RV air conditioner, not just focus on the highest BTU number, just focus on a suitable one. Energy efficient is very important. And when you sleep at night, the noisy, the quiet air conditioner is your best solution. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or any comment, just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to chat with you. Thank you. Bye.